With this top, the first step is sew the center of the neck strap. And I usually like to do a serger stitch across the bottom of it. I just feel like it's a more finished look. The next step is you are going to pin the center of your first binding piece to one side, and you're going to do the same to the other side. I usually do it one side at a time because this pin's going to get in the way of my serger, and I'm going to pull it to make it fit. I've stay stitched both of the binding pieces on both sides, and I'm going to wrap it around, and I'm going to secure it around the top, just folding it over like that, and I'm going to sew it all the way through on both sides. And then I'm also going to create an under the bust strap that is going to be sewn the same way, except for it doesn't have fabric in between. I've completed those steps using my cover stitch machine. You can also use a zigzag machine. There's my string, and I've attached the binding to both sides. My 1/2 inch overhang I just cut off and get rid of. I am going to hem this under about 1/2 inch in order to put this string through the 2 bottom edges. When you're done hemming those under, that's what it looks like. There's a hole in there, so you can put the loop turner through there. This is a fabulous tool. I highly recommend it. And this is just a straight stitch. So all you do, put the string turner through one side, the other side, get the end of your string, hook it, flip that piece up, and just pull it all the way through. I also usually just tie the ends with a knot. So there's your completed top. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, stay sexy. Bye.